Hello guys, I'm here with another video. Let's learn how to prepare chapati. Yes, so with this we are going to learn nearly 6 to 7 new vocabularies. Let's go. I'm so hungry. Let's start. So what do we do to prepare a chapati? Of course, I need a flour, a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of oil, and then I need a cup of water. Okay, so we have to mix all these, and after mixing I need to do something. What do I say that? Okay, I need to make something to prepare that. Okay, yeah, kneading. So I need to knead the flour and make a dough out of it. Okay, so now we have dough, chapati dough. We need to roll this. So, okay, I'll roll balls. After rolling balls, how do I? Okay, now I should flatten the chapatis or roll the chapatis. Okay, after flattening the chapatis, I think I need to heat the pan, right? Okay, heat the chapati pan and then, okay, I need to heat both the sides. Okay, one side is cooked and how do I say that? Yeah, I need to flip it. I need to flip it to the other side and cook that. Wow, now the chapatis are cooked. I'll add some ghee and I'll eat it. Okay, serve this hot, delicious chapatis to your family and get a feedback. Bye bye.